When you're taking your windows out, you always want to make sure that you know exactly which opening the window came from. Each opening might be a little bit different because we custom build this and design it to fit exactly to your deck. It's very specific that these 4 windows fit here because they may not fit in this bank. So when you are taking them out to clean them, be mindful of where you brought them out at. One thing that we usually say is to do kind of 4 at a time. Take these 4 out, clean them, put them back in. It doesn't necessarily matter which one is the top and which one is the bottom, but it does matter which bank of windows they go back into. So when you're putting them back in, it's kind of the exact opposite process as when you're taking them out. So the spring side, again, will go into the deep part of the track. And all you have to do is put those springs into the track. Make sure that it's overlapping the window behind it because these windows latch together when they slide up and down. So push that end into the track. You're going to want to put your top corner of the window into the shallow side first, and then just push it right in there and it should snap right into place. And now you're back and ready to enjoy your crystal clean sunroom.